Screen Time Lock on your iPhone is a powerful feature. It lets you manage how long you use apps that pull your attention away, like Instagram, TikTok, or mobile games. Setting these boundaries helps you stay productive and in control of your device. However, it's easy to forget your screen time passcode, particularly if you haven't changed it in months or even years. This is a very common issue that requires you to reset or remove the passcode. In this video, I'm going to show you a method to remove screen time passcode without having to reset your iPhone. Open Settings, locate Screen Time, and then scroll down to where you see Change Screen Time Passcode. Select it and confirm that you want to change Screen Time Passcode. You'll be asked for the old Screen Time Passcode, but since you cannot remember it, select Forgot Passcode. You'll be required to log in with your Apple ID credentials, and when you've provided both username and password, you will be able to create a new Screen Time Passcode. Enter the new digits, verify the digits, and you have successfully reset the Screen Time Passcode. You can now head back to the application and enter Screen Time Passcode to unlock and keep using the app for more time. And that's it. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech solutions.